What you doing, Lester? Can you kiss your zebra? Mwah! Kisses. So sweet. Looking for your ball? Is it there, or is it maybe under the couch, Lester? Is your ball under the couch? Can we look under the couch? Let's look under the couch, honey. I see the ball. It's under the couch. It's under the couch. You see it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's the ball. That's the ball. Can you get it? You want to put your hat on instead? Where's your hat? Let's put your hat on. There you go. Put it on a little bit, you know, on. Come here, dude. I'll help you. Here's your hat. Where's Lester? Where'd he go? There he is. Where's the doodah? Oh, put it on. Put on your hat. Uh-oh. Lester lost his hat.